InMapz is the first indoor mapping software to build your commercial building's digital twin. There are thousands of devices inside commercial buildings: sensors, fire alarms, sprinklers, HVAC, lights, AED devices, power sources, shutoff valves, and other essential equipment. Just like healthy organs in a human body, tending to these parts of a building keep it usable and safe. When there's an emergency, the first thing a responder needs to know is where everything is. Imagine you get an emergency call at 2 a.m. A water leak! Every minute, the water leak is causing immense damage to the building. Every additional second, the water keeps gushing and the repair bill is shooting up. You need to locate that shutoff valve fast, but the information you need is in the floor plans, which is back somewhere in an office, possibly being sprayed with water. So you have to get out of bed and rush to the office to find it as soon as possible. Instead, InMapz helps solve these problems by allowing you to manage everything about your building from your fingertips, anywhere, at any time. We convert your paper floor plans and data spreadsheets into easy-to-use digital maps to locate, understand, and service everything in your building from the palm of your hand. You can see real photos of all the specs, the individual locations, and now remotely manage it. We can even help safety inspectors save up to 80% of their time during routine monthly inspections. Your building tells you how to save time and money. Will you listen? Save a lot of time. Save a ton of money. Just InMapz It.